Tom Mullen with Modern Real Estate. I've got a great listing here to show you. It's at 2634 South 15th Street in Omaha, and let's go take a look. Living room has lots of character with a wood-burning fireplace and a nice wood mantel. Fantastic refinished flooring throughout, solid oak. Tastefully updated bathrooms and kitchens, and I say kitchens because there's another in the basement, and the efficiency apartment down there that could easily be rented out to offset your mortgage. The washroom on the main floor could easily be converted back into a fourth bedroom if needed.